Hey, so if you move to a new place or your saved location is outdated, yeah, updating your home address in Google Maps makes navigation much faster and more accurate. In this guide, I'll show you how to change your home address on Google Maps step by step in 2026. First, open Google Maps on your phone or computer and sign into your Google account. Tap or click Save from the bottom or side menu. Look for the labeled home location inside your saved places. Tap the three dots or edit option next to home. Now type your new home address carefully. Choose the correct address from the suggestions list. Tap Save or Done to update your home address. Search for home or start directions to make sure the location is correct. Because your Google account syncs automatically, the new home address updates across devices. Only save personal addresses on accounts you trust and protect your Google account with strong security. And yeah, that's it. That's how you change your home address on Google Maps and keep your navigation updated in 2026.